Rising Group, a vertically integrated company, is today a leading manufacturer and exporter in the textile and clothing sector of the country. It operates on parameters of ethical business practice, focus on quality and product diversity. It began its journey in 1997 as a very small apparel manufacturing and export unit with only 120 sewing machines at a rented building in Mirpur, Dhaka. It now operates from its own 5 complexes spread across Mirpur, Ashulia, Dhamrai, Manikganj and Ghazipur. A dedicated and experienced committed young professionals at mid-level management having a leading edge in merchandising and marketing are just a few of the major success factors of the Rising Group. Rising now is also eco-sustainable at its Mahmuda Attires Limited and Simtex Apparel and Washing Limited, which are located in Dhamrai by the side of Dhaka-Aricha Highway and Bhavanipur, Ghazipur. Both eco-friendly factories strictly conform to the gold category requirements of Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design (LEED). Use of efficient and renewable energy and use of heat-resistant and carbon emission-free building materials are a few of the major features of both green projects, which are officially prescribed by the US Green Building Council. The group's concern, Arunima Apparels Limited, achieved Vendor of the Year award from its valued clients Oxford and Rising Apparels Limited, achieved Supplier of the Year from Kiabi and received National Export Trophy from Bangladesh government. Its third-party factory evaluators are BSCI, SEDEX, Betterwork, OCS, GOTS, BCI, Okotex, etc. In woven categories, Rising produces men's shirts, ladies' blouses, boys' shirts and girls' dresses. It also produces men's, ladies' and boys' bottoms. In knit categories, it produces men's, ladies' and kids' t-shirts, polo shirts. Its efficient sample section strives to ensure of the approved samples. It tunes very carefully the production orchestration beforehand through a pre-production meeting and a successful trial production process. Then, it obtains patterns and markers using world-leading computer-aided solutions. Afterwards, cutting of fabric takes place in bulk, ensuring optimal utilization of fabrics, and then to sewing to ensure the ultimate tailoring excellence without compromise. In 60 lines, on about 430,000 square feet of floor space here, about 5,000 skilled people work in an ideal environment to produce about 3.5 million pieces a month of high quality and diverse types of knit garments in casual as well as fashion ranges. The apparel finishing section has all necessary machinery and equipment like metal detectors, etc. The production floors of Rising are meant for continuous quality surveillance. At present, it is working at the AQL of less than 2.5. Designed with state-of-the-art contemporary machinery and equipment, its sewing floors have 48 lines laid out in an industrially engineered ideal accommodation on a floor space of about 380,000 square feet in aggregate. Carefully selected skilled people now work here to make 1 million pieces of world-class woven garments, tops and bottoms every month. Following ironing, thread clearing and other invariable finishing touches, the final QC is done here to hit AQL 2.5 without compromise. Getting checked for metal-free status, the products enter the CT-PAT enclosure. Under constant surveillance, the Rising logistic fleet carries the export cargo to correct destinations on time. Rising has a workforce of 13,000 people, and they consider Rising as their second home. Rising abides by all applicable laws and conventions. It considers factory compliances as means of high standard of industrial relations and positive productivity. Wages and benefits are on time. Homely childcare facilities, health and safety measures, women's rights are upheld accordingly, and not only in compliance with the local laws, but are maintained accordingly for excellence to the ILO conventions. All of its premises ensure necessary safety measures. It is Accord Alliance certified and approved firefighting preparation and practices of international standard. Yes, Rising views development as sustained through shared and responsible approaches.